Paul dreams to be a successful surgeon someday. He believes that the best stones shine after being tossed by the waves and whipped by the wind. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this year's class valedictorian, Paul Angelo Macatulat Martinez.
Our warmest congratulations to the honored graduates and to their parents. They are called the students' second parents. They invested their personal time, energy, and resources not only to impart knowledge, but also to touch the hearts of their students, leading them to their bright future. They are the persons who make school their home and make their home school. Ladies and gentlemen, we are awarding of certificates of recognition to our dear teachers.
Deped National Capital Region Division of City Schools, Valenzuela, Malolos, Valenzuela City presents the Superintendent's Award to Mr. Hector De Jos in full recognition of his invaluable leadership and assistance as trainer of Vicente P. Trinidad National High School, which was awarded first place in regional level STEP skills development in competition for the school year 2009-2010, given the 25th day of March 2010 at Valenzuela City, signed Dr. Frodeliza Armayari, School Division Superintendent. Another Superintendent's Award is also given to Mr. John Redemir Prado. This Superintendent's Award is given to Mr. John Redemir Prado in full recognition of his invaluable leadership and support as steering coordinator of Vicente P. Trinidad National High School, which was awarded first place in regional level STEP skills development and competition for the school year 2009-2010. Certificate of recognition is given to Mrs. Santa Kathleen S. Cruz. Mrs. Santa Kathleen S. Cruz, trainer of the Hadar Group of Vicente P. Trinidad National High School, for their successful performance into Sayawic and grand salutation to the Deped NCR Director and Secretary of Education held at the Tinolat Auditorium in Manila Hotel on March 10, 2010 and March 15, 2010. Another Superintendent Award is given to our secondary school principal for Mr. Filmer R. Caballero in full recognition of his invaluable leadership and support as principal of Vicente P. Trinidad National High School, which was awarded first place in regional level STEP skills development and competition for the school year 2009-2010. Another Meritorious Service Award is given to our secondary school principal for Mr. Filmer R. Caballero. Deped National Capital Region Division City Schools, Valenzuela, Pio Valenzuela City, Malolos, Valenzuela City presents its Meritorious Service Award to Mr. Filmer R. Caballero, alab ng sining promoting and supporting the arts through education, school year 2009-2010. Vicente P. Trinidad National High School, signed Mrs. Rosary Arcalos, Education Supervisor 1, and Dr. Frodeliza Armayari, School Division Superintendent. Another award is given for being the best implementer performing theater arts to our secondary school principal, Mr. Filmer R. Caballero. Best implementer performing theater arts school year 2009-2010. And outstanding implementer in music, arts, and sports school year 2009-2010 to Vicente P. Trinidad National High School. Signed Mrs. Victoria Diaz Severas, Education Supervisor 1, and Dr. Frodeliza Armayari, School Division Superintendent.
Supervisor 1 in English, Mrs. Bernardina G. Echaluce. Our secondary school principal 4, Mr. Filmer R. Caballero. Distinguished guests, beloved parents and teachers, my fellow graduates, a pleasant afternoon to all. Indeed, this is a great day to all of us, especially to our beloved parents, whom I presume are more excited than we are now. It is so heartwarming to stand before our respected mentors, administrators, and to our honored guests who unselfishly shared their precious time with us to make this event more meaningful and worth remembering. Receive our appreciation. Oblivious of the passing time, it seemed not so long ago when we first set our foot on this institution. We were very young and raw then. If my memory serves me right, it was a mixed feeling of both excitement and apprehension. It was overwhelming. I believe each one of us graduates shared the same experience. It dawned upon me later that during that time, we are like precious gems, intended for cutting and polishing to reveal its real worth. Yes, indeed, we were cut and polished in the course of time in our 4 years of stay in this institution. And now is the moment we are waiting for, proclaimed and deemed worthy of receiving what is due us. The recognition of being graduates, the accolades received, is what makes this day so special. This event will not be complete without acknowledging the people who, in one way or another, shared their valuable time, efforts, resources, and expertise in our quest for better education. Without them, this occasion will not be possible. First and foremost, we thank God for the wisdom and continuous blessing we receive each day. To my parents, this I have to say. I am very proud of you. You have been the source of my strength and inspiration to perform and strive hard to achieve my goals in life. Never had I experienced that you have neglected me of your time, love, and concern. Papa, this is the most opportune time to tell everybody how I treasure, admire you being my father. I want to be exactly like you, a man of dignity, honor, and discipline. Mommy, thank you for nurturing me, teaching me respect. Your loving presence made me feel secure. Thank you for molding me of who I am now. In return, this diploma, medal of recognition, and honor I received, I offer them all to you. From the bottom of my heart, receive my heartfelt thanks. Our gratitude and appreciation goes to our school principal, Mr. Fillmore R. Caballero, whose achievements as educator and administrator give us reason to be proud of being in this school. He never failed to inspire us in so many ways. His insights, his expertise, his thoughts hold us in awe. He always reminded us to give our best in every task we have to accomplish. Our profound gratitude to all our teachers. Your patience and determination to teach us in spite of our bickering and smugness is something to cherish with. Thanks to the office personnel, to the support services, guards, canteen people, local government officials, Honorable Mayor Sherwin T. Gatchalian, and Honorable Congressman T. Gatchalian, who, without their untiring efforts, the construction of our school building will not be realized. In behalf of all the graduates